Let's see our next inequality. So first, what we can do? We can multiply 4 by content of this parenthesis, and we can move 2 from the right side to left. So we have 4 times y squared will be 4y squared plus 4y minus 1 minus 2 is greater than or equal 0. So I can copy the beginning of our inequality for y. Negative 1 minus 2 will be negative 3 is greater than or equal 0. Next, we have to make the left side equal 0. So we have 4y squared plus 4y minus 3 equal 0. And we have quadratic equation. To solve this equation, we can factorize 4 times, we have 4 times negative 3 is equal negative 12. It means we have to find two numbers which multiplied by each other give me negative 12, and when I add them I will have 4. It will be 6 and negative 2, because 6 times negative 2 will be negative 12, and 6 plus negative 2 will be 4. So I can rewrite this equation. I will have 4y squared plus 6y minus 2y minus 3 equal 0. So now I can factor from the first two terms 2y. So it will be 2y times 2y plus 3. And from this two terms I can factor negative 1. Will be 2y plus 3 equals 0. So we see we have the same factor. So we can factorize again. Will be 2y plus 3. And in the second parenthesis I will have 2y minus 1 equals 0. When this left side is equal 0, when 2y plus 3 is 0 or 2y minus 1 is 0. So I have to solve these two equations. So we have 2y equals negative 3. I have to divide both sides by 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel. So I have y equal negative 3 over 2. So y is negative 1.5. And the second equation we will have 2y equal 1. I have to divide both sides by 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel, and I have y equals 1/2. So we have two roots. We can draw number line y. We have quadratic inequality. The graph for the quadratic inequality is parabola, because the coefficient before y squared is positive. It means the parabola is open up. So we have to put our roots is negative 1.5, and I have 1/2 parabola open up. So we have, and we have side of our inequality is greater than or equal. It means our roots are included, and we have to find the value greater than 0. It means whatever is above our number line y. This part is above, and this. So we have two intervals from negative infinity to negative 1.5 close on the right side plus interval close on the left side 1/2 to positive infinity. This is our solution.